This isn't just a piece of property. This is a lifestyle. Saddle up and let your imagination run wild. This is where it all starts. Your land, your ranch, your stalls, and your vision. "207 acres with so many possibilities. You can build a house over here, a second ADU, or an additional barn. With 200 acres to work with, this property gives you the kind of space most people only dream about. A place where horses run across open pasture, where you can build a ranch from the ground up, or design a private estate surrounded by nothing but land and sky. There's room here for barns, riding trails, multiple homes, or even a family compound where generations can live together on the same property for years and years to come. Hey, thanks so much for touring this beautiful property today. If you'd like to private tour or even ride a horse, give me a call, Eric Hatch, Century 21.